So I'm very excited about this because what you're gonna see in a second, you'll be just so surprised. So everyone heard about the e-inks and you maybe heard about the NXTPAPER display. But what TCL is actually introducing, and they're showcasing that at MWC, is their new display, which will connect the NXTPAPER with the AMOLED. Look at that boy. So this is 3000 nits. It's an absolute beauty. Like the display, like you can see it here during the normal sunlight. Like it is absolutely beautiful. And the cool thing is that this is a display which will be an AMOLED display, which will also have the NXTPAPER technology. That's what they're looking to introduce, because thanks to it, it will be super bright, obviously at the max brightness right here. But at the same time, you will have that option to, disconnect, to read, to enjoy it without those colors and have that, benefits of blue light purification, anti-glare and stuff like that. And like, look, there is no, you can imagine there is so much light here. Look, wait, there's so many lights around and there is no reflection here. That's just beautiful because it does make it so easy to use as a phone. Because like, let's be honest, like how often are you, annoyed by having a reflection on your phone? I am often. That's just something which I very much don't like. And having this, a good connection of the technology, which is, kind of when it just makes it better. And I think that's just the way going forward. Zero flickering, blue light purification. I can't wait to see it. So this is a concept phone. So this is a prototype only here and the MWC. So you're not gonna see it anywhere else. But like, I hope that this year it's gonna be actually introduced and we can actually have some working units on our channel in the studio. I just can't wait how it looks, Just beautiful. What do you think? Do you like it? Do you think that this is the good direction to go? Let me know in the comments. And remember, if you like it, just like and subscribe for more.
MadTechTalk, tech so fly, breaking down gear, let's amplify. Sub like, don't miss a thing. Tech reviews with a little bling. We out for now, but stay tuned. More fire tech is dropping soon.